Just out in our yard. It's about 4 o'clock going into the bay. It's an outside bay. It just had closed in. The carpenters did a great job. There's no insulation yet, but it's good. Getting out of the wind, out of the elements. We can service in the dead of winter. And the LED. Amazing what LED lights do. So this is a delivery van. Good old Ford. The low bidder, but it's been good. And we just check oil changes and quick checks. We'll do a brake job if we have to. The shop's full, but we can do all the overflow. The white fleet, a lot of grounds are off for the winter, but we still have the snowplow crew and the trades, plumbers, electricians, HVAC guys. They're going steady. I'm just checking the front end right now. Yeah, I've got all your basic tools for servicing, and they're gonna get her done, and then on to the next one. There's always just 2 or 3 to do every day, and back to her.